Hello guys, welcome to this particular session of this OS module tutorial. In this tutorial, what we are going to do is to rename a particular file. How can we rename a particular file? How can we do that? Just to use the word is called a function in OS module. So I'm going to just say os dot. Then we're going to specify the file we want to rename and the new thing we want to rename it with. So let's say my target is this guy. This easy, and this easy will have hello, welcome to Ezekiel. Let's say we want to rename it to something like maybe test. Okay, so we want to rename it to test. Since I already have this, I still want it to be inside the same folder. Let's say we're going to, this is going to be what we are going to rename it. Let me call it rename part. Let me remove this guy. Come on. Let me remove this guy here. Let me copy this. This is supposed to be renamed actually. Can say rename. This is going to be our main part. Remember that it is easy. Easy was the name of the test file that is here. Easy. So we're going to rename of this. We're going to get this easy part. When we get it, what are we going to do? We're going to rename it. So here takes two parameters, which is first one is the part, and the second one is the what we want to rename it. Let's say rename part. So let's run. Can see we run it without any problem. So let's go back. Can see this our easy I've turned to test. Okay, let me name it. Let me rename it to Peter, for example. Let me change this rename in this scenario here. Let's say we don't want to name it test. Okay, let's copy. Remember that this our part now is no longer easy, so it's not test. We are going to change it to test. Let's say in this situation, let's name it Peter Fair. So what is going to happen here is that this test guy is going to be changed to Peter, because our current part right here now is now test, and then what we want to rename it to Peter dot test. So let's run this. It ran without any problem. So let's go here. You can see it changed from test to Peter. As you can see, we're able to successfully change this Peter to. Sorry, we're going to successfully change the test to this of Peter. So this you can do it. You can play around with it to actually know how these guys work. Everything we have talked about, it just basically simple to understand. There's nothing complex that I did here. Just basically just make use of the functions that are available in this of our OS modules. I talked about what modules are, what libraries are, what frameworks are, and the difference in all of them. So don't get confused on any of them. So I think with this where we'll draw the curtain for this video. If you enjoy it, please don't forget to hit the subscribe button. You can also like. It's not going to take money from your pocket. So I'll be happy to see you in the next video. Thank you for watching.